demeanor, I can never slip. I signed a deal with Tookie Williams, I'm forever crib. Everybody think this gangster shit a fairy tale. All these niggas demons till it's time to go to hell. Every Glock I ever had, I got that bitch extended. Every Glock I ever blasted, summer. With the fishes, never worry about an op, them pussies could get it. Anything that nigga Rimble said, I bet he meant it. Bitch, talk to me like you know I'm from the West. Talk to me like you know them bullets in niggas' necks. Bitch, talk to me like you know I'm from the mob. Talk to me like you know this right to break a nigga jaw. Buster, talk to me like you know I'm from the West. Talk to me like you know them bullets in niggas' necks. Bitch, talk to me like you know I'm from the mob. Talk to me like you know this right to break a nigga jaw. If you ain't really with the shit, then why you say he is? The way I'm coming with this chop, you better pray he is. I just got a new 9, it's time to break him in. My young niggas top shotters like them Jamaican kids. Hey, at this point I pray I go to heaven. A couple 187s, a couple 211s, a couple 459s, it's in my bloodline. If any nigga disrespect me, then it's gun time. Eyes wide, first time I seen a 4-5. I perform very well when it's showtime. Hey, my life is not how I envisioned it. My name hold 4 or 5 life sentences. If you ain't finna go slide, then don't mention it. When I go slide fatality, I'ma finish him. Put this one back and go get the tech, we finna spin again. Big dog in my section, you can say that again.
Sheesh. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? How are you? Good, how are you? Chris! Do a wheelie! What's up, dog? What's up? How's it going?
Beat made by Swerve.
We're gonna look at all the